All right, let's check this out. Love it. Let's see if I can sing it. Here we go.
Transcribing is fun. Transcribing is fun. Transcribing is fun. Yeah, yeah.
So that tune is called Question of Perspective. It's on the Gilfema +2 album with Lionel Lueke. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. I hope I am. And it's a fantastic album. Some absolutely amazing playing on there. So definitely check it out. All right, time to play it. Now let's make an exercise of what we just played. We're going to play the same line that we just transcribed, and then we're going to go down a whole step. We're going to keep going down in whole steps until we reach the original key. And you can do this activity, this exercise, transcribing, and then make it into an exercise, whatever you want, or just transcribe the melody because it's really pretty, and do it with anything you like to hear. It doesn't have to be something like that. It could be longer, it could be shorter, but the point is you're transcribing, you're using your ears, and you're doing something fun. Well, it should be fun because it's playing music. So have fun, take it easy. Later.